Oh, have a nice day, my friends. Today, I am going to speak about emotional intelligence. In short, it is called EQ. According to Daniel Goleman's emotional intelligence book, EQ level is 80% of success and IQ level is 20% of success. IQ mean mental capacity. I am happy to say that you can improve your emotional intelligence level in your lifetime by practicing. In the sophisticated the modern world with the artificial intelligence, the computers and the machines challenge the human beings. Therefore, you must be smarter, you must be wiser, more confident, more creative, and more constructive than the technology. It is the value of you. Please always try to improve your emotional intelligence, self awareness, self regulation, self motivation, empathy, and social skills. Finally, I would like to ask a question from you. Can a man who doesn't love himself then not love the people? No, no, my friends, it is impossible. A man who doesn't love himself, he never loves others. Therefore, first of all, love yourself, feel yourself, then everyone will love you. Thank you very much.